What's going on, guys? So in today's DIY video, I'm going to show you guys how to fix a hole in the wall. Whether you were upset one night and you kicked it in, or I don't know how I got there. But anyways, we're going to teach you guys how to replace a hole in the wall. What you're going to do first, you're going to draw a line on what you're going to cut out. Alright, once you draw that line, you're going to cut it out here. Actually here with the blade. Next, what you'll need is a little piece of wood, something like this, to stick behind the wall. That's going to be your reinforcement for the drywall that you're going to plug in to support. So get a couple of screws here. Alright, so you got that screw. We're going to screw in one more right here. Alright, so that's our reinforcement. Doing something 12 and a half this way, 12 and a half wide by 9 and a half high. So 12 and a half wide by 9 and a half high. We're going to cut out our piece now. So 12 and a half wide, 9 and a half high, I scored it. Now let me pop this off, like this. Alright, we lay it this way, cut this down here. Got this piece. Now we're going to pop this piece off just like this. Down the middle. Same thing here. Cut down this way. Alright. See how this fits. So next, what we're going to do drill that in and put one more screw here. Alright guys, so this was already this already had a texture on there, so I want to use this piece of drywall. But then it's just a little bit thicker, so it's sticking out a tad bit, but I really don't care because this is inside the closet and it looks like 90% better than before, and I'll just it is what it is. So make sure, here's the lesson, make sure you measure it the right size for your other drywall, otherwise there's going to be a little bit thicker, but in this case it's way better than it was before. I'm sure you guys are going to agree. And take some of this painter's putty here. We're going to make it look good, folks. We really are. Okay? We will. It's going to look alright. It's going to look good. Okay? Nobody's going to be coming in the closet and saying, oh, look, this is not even. You know what I mean?
Oh, this is not even.
Alright, there it is, guys. So once this dries, you can sand it or paint it if you want. Yeah, I'm going to probably paint over it. I got to paint the closet anyways. So that, my friends, is a DIY on how to fix a hole in your wall. Or in your closet, in this case. The takeaway from this, guys, make sure that the drywall is the same thickness as the wall, otherwise you're going to have a little bulge like this, but I really don't care because there's going to probably be some clothes hanging from here anyways, you know, and it's not even going to show, it's just covering up that ugly hole. Alright guys, I want to thank you all for watching. Please subscribe for more how-tos or DIYs on how to do it yourself, save time and money.